A day in my life as a work from home mom solo parent edition. Good day everyone, here's another glimpse of my day wrapped in a 3-minute vlog. Tara't gumising na naman tayo sa tanghali at simulan ang araw bilang isang work from home mom na nagtatabaho o nag-graveyard shift, trying to balance work and life. One of the things na ginagawa ko to save my time is really lessen my clean up time dito sa bahay. With that being said, I strategically do stuff para masave ko yung time ko. Isa sa mga examples ay kung saan ko kinukuha ang mga gamit, sinasauli ko rin sa lalagyan. That way, hindi na ako magsispend ng more time para hanapin kung saan ko last na gamit yun or nilagay. Isa rin kasi sa mga hindi ko talaga gustong gawin ay maghanap ng mga nawawalang bagay. Kapag ikaw nawala, hindi na kita hahanapin. Charing. I have designated places sa mga gamit sa bahay para hindi na ako ma-stress. Anyway, for some reasons, napagpasyahan kong kumain na naman sa sasakyan. Traffic has been crazy lately. Dahil na rin siguro tag-ulan, kaya mas pinipili ko na lang na sa sasakyan kumain kasi nakakasave rin ako ng oras. After preparing my salad for brunch, nag-ayos na nga ako para makaalis. Syempre, kumain muna ng konti but finished it later. I arrived at the gym and spent an hour and a half there thinking about my decisions in life lately and my next actions about my life. Kapag nasanay ka rin talaga sa routine mo, it becomes your comfort zone. And for me, that's a dangerous place to be in. You'd feel no growth. So I always think that I got to do something different or perhaps try something new because when I felt trapped for a long time, I feel bad about myself. But at some point, iniisip ko rin, why do I have to chase for growth? Why am I being hard on myself? I have been so trapped with the idea that I have a certain timeline to do things, get a house at 25, get a car before 30, settle down before 35. But naisip ko rin, life is too short to follow patterns. Just live with it and enjoy. Learn through heartbreaks and bad decisions dahil at the end of the day, you'll just eventually look back and the only thing that matters is when you're happy at wala ka naapakang tao. So much for that, maaga nga pala ako nagluto ng dinner kasi matagal maluto itong braised chicken. This is a French dish na isa sa mga gusto ko talagang kainin and kuni-crave ko from time to time. Masarap rin itong i-pair ng mashed potatoes. Kung hindi lang kamahalan ang patatas dito, I'd probably switch from rice to potatoes na talaga. While nagluluto ako, nagmumultitasking rin ako niyan. Hindi pwedeng maghintay na akong maluto ang niluluto ko at wala akong ginagawa. So I folded the clothes, mopped the floor, at nag-ayos ng konti before plating our dinner. Usually nilalagyan nila ito ng brandy or beer but I skipped that but added cooking cream and cornstarch slurry and dinner is ready. After dinner is my time to get ready. For work, I took a shower and worked the entire shift and later nga nagutom na naman ako so kumain na naman ako while nagtatrabaho. I also finished Jeff's scrapbook cover kasi malapit na rin ito sa deadline. Hindi ko na ibigay ang 100% ko dito but sometimes you just don't have to in some cases. And I'm just not talking about making the scrapbook. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!